Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. And I just pressed the cappuccino button so we can test both the espresso side and the cappuccino side of the machine. We have some milk cleaner in the milk carafe, and this will help simulate as if milk was in there. And so you can see we get a nice foam that comes out. You can hear the pump pulsing. Now it's cleaning the milk steamer by flushing it with steam. And then it's going to pour a shot of espresso. There's our nice shot of espresso. We cleaned a lot of dirt out of this machine. This machine was very dirty. Did a lot of work to it. And then let's test the hot water. See, the hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell. Thank you.